Hi, today I'm going to talk to you about Skyward Family Access is also what is referred to. It is a great way for you to check in on your child to see their grades, see messages from teachers, find out about upcoming assignments, or you can even set up automatic notifications. It's a great tool that we use here at Port Susan to communicate with our families. All right, so the first thing you're going to need to do is go to the Port Susan Middle School webpage, and this is what it looks like. I've included the link to the webpage up here. So it's psm.stanwood.wednet.edu. So once you go there, this is what the Port Susan webpage looks like. And down on the bottom, there's a button here that says Skyward, and you're going to go ahead and click that link or that button to Skyward. And you're going to get to a login page that looks like this. All right, and so the login information, if you have never logged into Skyward before, we recently sent that home with student schedule, so you should be able to get that there. If you have forgotten your login, or if it doesn't work for whatever reason, please contact the front office, and our phone number is there, 629-1360, or you can also email Whitney, and we'll get you all set up and squared away so that you can get in. Students can also log into the student access, and their login is typically the first 5 of their last name, the first 3 of their first name. So there's an example there for John Smith. Oh, it's also followed by the 3 0, sorry. And then there's the example, and then the password is typically their lunch code. All right, so once you get to the main page, it looks something like this, and on the left here is the menu selection. So you can see that you can choose the calendar, grades, attendance, busing information, all that different things for your child or children. You can see that you can look at all of your students at once, or you can just choose one if you have more than one. You can see there's some messages here left from last year that's still on the Skyward page. Okay, over on the right hand side, this is the list of upcoming events, and so these are different important events that are coming up for your child. And then up at the top corner here is my account, and that's where you're going to be able to find out the information about how you set up notifications, right? So I'm going to walk you through that because we can't do it right now because classes, there's no classes actually started, and so until school actually starts, we can't quite set it up. So you'll be ready to go here on that first day of school. What you'll do is you're going to go into my account like I showed you, okay? And then once you go into there, you're going to have a page that looks like this, and it's going to have account settings, email notifications. All right, so you can choose here what you want to set up as your preferences. So do you want to get an email about daily attendance notification if your child was marked absent? Do you want to get information about how your student's doing on specific assignments overall? Do you want to get a weekly report? This one's awesome. Every Saturday you get a report about how your child did that week on their different grades. So it's kind of a quick overview. And then this one is great for when you're in school to be able to get an email notification when that lunch account gets a little bit low, and so you can know where your kiddo's at. You can also make sure that they have money in that account. Okay, so once you set up those email notifications how you want it, you're going to click Save down here on the bottom right corner of the screen. All right, we also have, I've also included a link to this toolkit. So Family Access has a great toolkit here through Skyward. And so here's the link, I included it. And if you click on it, it goes to their web page. And as you can see, there's all sorts of different videos and tutorials, and you can blogs, events, different things that you can find out all about, resources, that's what I was looking for, all the different resources that you need for Skyward. So anyways, it's a really cool place to go if you want to look a little bit more into what those different options are. All right, so thank you. If you have any questions, like I said, please don't hesitate to reach out.